Today we are focusing on the bird dog exercise intermediate version using both our arms and our legs. The bird dog exercise is an excellent exercise to help stabilize and strengthen our core and to help stabilize and strengthen our lower back area. So to start with, we're on all fours. I'm going to contract or tighten my core. So when I say contract, I don't mean sucking it in, I don't mean hollowing it. I mean that if somebody was going to punch you in the stomach, you would tighten that area, you would contract it. It's the same thing. So again, I'm on all fours, I contract my core, then I'm going to push out opposite arm and opposite legs. So it looks something like this. I'm going to push out my leg and my opposite arm. I'm going to hold this position here for about 6 to 8 seconds. Then I'm going to slowly swing it down like this, keeping everything through here tight, keeping it stable. My lower back should not move as I do this. And then I'm coming up again. And again, I'm holding this. And then I come down, I don't touch down. And then I'm going up again. Just like that, and keeping this nice and stable. I'm aiming for 5 repetitions per side, holding it each repetition 6 to 8 seconds. Now, there's a couple key things here. So when I am coming down, I'm not touching down, I'm just going nice and slowly, I'm not touching. I'm keeping everything through my lumbar spine, my lower back stable. That's the whole point of this exercise, is that your lower back, your lumbar spine should not move. The core muscles, they are working to contract that area to stabilize it. So as I come down, nothing's moving in my lumbar spine. I go up again. As I come down, again, I'm not touching. I'm going nice and smoothly, nice and controlled, and I come up again. That's the first point. The next point is when you're pushing out. So with the leg, when you're pushing out, I'm not focusing on lifting my leg or raising my leg, because oftentimes people go past neutral and they end up twisting in their lower back, and that puts excessive stress on it. We want to avoid that. That can cause injury with the lower back. So instead, I'm really focusing on pushing the leg actively straight back, pushing my heel back. At the same time, when my arm comes up, I'm focusing on pushing my arm forward as I make a fist. So I'm actively contracting, I'm pushing this forward as I push my heel back. Then I swing down. The whole time as I do it, I am contracting through my lower back to stabilize that area. There should not be pain with this. If there's any pain, please stop. Let us know. We can work on modifying things. We want to do this exercise smoothly and controlled. Better to do fewer sets, better to do fewer repetitions properly with proper form than to rush through it and do it improperly, potentially causing injury. Ideally, we are doing 3 sets of 5 repetitions, or in the first set doing 5 repetitions, the second set 4 repetitions, the third set 3 repetitions. Any questions about any of this, please ask.